بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another Tech Guru video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the name of your Facebook page. So not your personal profile, but your page for like your business, organization, restaurant, whatever it may be. If you accidentally named it the incorrect thing, or you just changed your name. In order to change it, there's a few things you need to do. So go ahead and log into the account that manages the Facebook page, and then go ahead and go on over to that page. Once you're there, right by the timeline option here, you're going to see the About tab. So under the About tab, go click on Page Info. It'll be underneath Overview, and then once you're there, you're going to see a few different things. Over to the right, you're going to see a new page name. Now, it's going to show you your current page name and then what you want to change your name to. Now, let me give you guys a little helpful tip, hopefully. It cannot be named something that's completely off base from what the page is about. So once you request a new name on your page, it'll take Facebook. It took the one that I did maybe about an hour to an hour and a half, but it could take up to 3 days. So go ahead and type the new name here. So go ahead and type new name of page here, and then once you've done that, go ahead and click the blue continue button here. So it'll tell you some do's and don'ts as far as renaming your page. Click on the blue continue button. Once you're there, it'll say you are currently requesting the following change to your page. Current page name, new page name. So then it says our review may take up to 3 days. So click on the blue request change button. Now I'm not going to do that here because it's the tutorial purposes, but I'm not going to do that. But if you click the blue request change button here, it could take as short as a couple hours or a few days. But if the name is correct, it's not inappropriate, Facebook will then change the name of your Facebook page. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. If it has, go ahead and slap that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content just like this. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.